Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I am Shashank Anand and today I have got some important updates about the Infosys Springboard 5.0 program that many of you have been waiting for. We have made a previous video on how to apply for this internship and I know many of you have applied for this and now are eagerly waiting for the results, right? Actually, they mentioned that they would release results on September 15th, 2024. But here is the latest news. Infosys is still reviewing all our applications and the final status will be communicated by September 20, 2024. So make sure to stay tuned and keep an eye on your inbox for updates. If you have any doubts about the selection process or if you are wondering what happens for you after getting selected, I have got you covered. Just watch our previous videos where we explain the whole selection process in detail and what steps to follow once you're selected. I will provide you the link of that video in the description below, so make sure to check it out. I know the wait can be little nerve-wracking, but remember that great things are worth waiting for. Infosys is carefully reviewing each and every application, so let's stay positive and hope for the best. If you have any questions or need assistance during this time, you can always reach out to Infosys Springboard support team. They are available to help with anything related to the program of the internship process. So, that's it for today's update. If you are excited for the Infosys Springboard 5.0 or have any questions, drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates on internships, tech news and career advice. I have got lots of exciting content coming your way. So make sure to stick around. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Good luck everyone.